Utie Oha Echi Ponkno. Needs FM.
Osi ahotonkwa.
Ahotonkwa.
Entiase wo mo. Se ahotonkwa se entiase wo mo. Se wo aban mu.
O sa.
O aban mu.
Odim de.
Ahonto beba abeba no. So enu de meninu.
Na aje wo honto. Na so ho ato se wa funa no.
Anka me be bisa say time a wo po.
Omo power. Say mo e clear.
There is space na asesa.
Processor.
Asesa.
Awu bia ma.
Alaji.
Me woni mi dada wo. Me obisa obi ani mi. Me shebre eni aban mu.
O shebre wonya mensem.
Wonya mensa.
That's right.
Ni onu na o hwe mi. Edu mire a na eni ho a onu na mensu afre no. Na na do ontimi yehwe emami. Oh. But the woman say Ghana inti. Me ma inti. Na niema oye ensa enfata no na meka etia. Nukre kwan so. On say na do ko voter registration ko kan say 0 development. Na sa akasa no maybe sawo.
Zero development.
Zero development or
voter region.
Nukre.
I have not been there.
Was see NDC. You wa aban mu no. Your development was voter registration 0. Zero, say what is zero asi.
Bibi eni ho.
Na University of Allied Science no. Oye onu ne sika na yedisi ye. Onu na esi osi ye. On ne kure ka ya but uka na ama at least no. Respect kakra be ba wo so. Na we ye o mampeni na untwontro se ya. Ensa emfata. We ye penny 76 years. I learned from him. I should listen to him and learn something out of it.
But can't say voter region zero development.
One new voice, you know.
Mini voice no.
Oh, your airport wo omo can say artistic impression. Not too long ago, Minister of Aviation, omo issue statement say be ama flight be use. Idea I artistic impression. Bibia then omo be e wo ho. There were not less than 24 e-blocks e voter region. But what call say voter region ewa ohoy. 000. Where's me na intro?
Okay.
Na ujisu na ukase at least you know based on the support in this voter region for Edima NDC you know. What do you will say anka omunya more? Then that I will agree with you. But
Alaji ma mimi sa we. Ujidi ye say with the supporter voter region Edima NDC no. The kind of development projects we ho no mo no. And no pen we say wo saka na say they deserve more.
What else do you deserve?
Because me
university Edima. Ewo community. University you know the impact of the university on the development of that area enormous. Me ko University of Cape Coast. Me come from Sepim Mr. Core University of Cape Coast. And then we share that community I were around University of Cape Coast. Landlords, you renti omodan. Omunya that we know. You toy eduani. And so the economic activities around that place increase. Na addition so Tabio, Omuna Omo can say because of free senior high school, omo de buy na ebe ma Ghana for enya addition. Enyesa. Na say wudi addition ma obia. One man me ti hanu me aka kire o. Bibia me free no under normal circumstances shouldn't be sitting here. But school ko inti na me weti na ha. Anya me adum inti na me weti na ha. Na me free can say poor home no. And yes, free school, free senior high school, na ma me call school. So we can men can say nyamisha. Me come from school here. There be a here, but a choir over first so I no, and na problem here is school call here because today my gentleman say no school call. But there are a woman who say when you are giving university to develop a country, who call South Africa, there's a university, me free dino. Omatro ewo omo entrance say who person obe say oman. You don't need nuclear bomb. They are who here say like just destroy educational program and a system ewo. Then you've destroyed the country. So yeah, I see university ewo. You see not less than 20 e-blocks voter region. Now assuming say your focus ni na your focus in terms of development ye demand voter region. We mu na umbeba beka say ye mu enyesa because the governance of this country is not only limited to voter region. Of course, agree say voter region gives us more of the vote as they ignore Ashanti region. And now ye can Mpuntunjuma abo Ashanti for it is a Junso abo akuko ewo Ashanti region oko enu sabi se why ye juma ewo Ashanti region unko ka say ma 1,400 juma debi bubo he said the way a JM ye before the Ashanti hini okachi enu
but we crowd here so bebo so the people now can say development akoso
the people know but it is also important to remind the people.
Oh, okay.
So all kanu say entroa Argentine bega join say David we there but what project you know but yanu catch some of the project you know enye aban na years but Argentine na year Argentine sabi on to me G loan without the support of government on to me G say G loan government aban na better nichi na obetimi agi sa loan so say obi kasa asem no it certainly tells you say it is out of miscommunication and misinformation just to hoodwink the people of this country. Media, say me man penny, Ghana man penny, ye na ye man penny. He has no courtesies of respecting the Ghanaian people. Say obedi no kure. So you see, leadership has one thing. Me catch you, me betina ha. Say a blue a blue, say a black a black. Want to mean can say a mix, you know. So I am saying on authority that Nana Addo is a dishonest person to have declared say in voter region zero development. Say why zero development in Ashanti region? So why zero development in Ashanti region? It is absolutely unacceptable for him to make that comment, particularly when he's aware say your University of Allied Science in that region training more doctors for the country called Ghana. Now you're more of the schools. But maybe if he had said, say, the level of development at Yedima Votarism, we could have done better. That I would have agreed with him. And I would have commended him for being an honest person. That would have even added to his value and integrity that people would have considered. But to say zero, it tells you clearly whatever comes out of your map, you couldn't know. So why would I go and vote for you? For what reason? When you don't even the courtesies of respecting me. Nipa who catch you say zero development. Omunim said they are who can intro. Because omunim, omuko voters, omu University of Allied and Sciences. They're training nurses.
No kwana mwaye.
Let me catch you say airport to her.
Airport to voter region.
Airport to voter region.
Efahin.
Ho? Airport to ho. Call Minister of Aviation and ask them. Call them. That is what they claim, say, a artistic impression. They say, I didn't see her. Runway, BBI, and I'm saying that just like 3 months ago, Honorable Ada issue statement said they are going to open that airport for local flight. Omu Yusu. So say, what the honor, unim we say, now who got Gina platform now got because of who say who think who feel say nipa omotie on sabi omunim na muntimi en dream ho ashifu I can say
asefem
sem a hard dream and I do not think that the people of Ghana deserve such kind of person as a president of the Republic of this country.
Hey, that far.
Yes. Oh, I'm saying leadership. You can't leadership. You see, candor, honesty, principle, critical in leadership. Regardless, but at least speak the truth. Let the people know that you can be trusted. Trust. Say, I can't trust her. When you want to cry, who produce our friend Mamiba? Bisano. Because me GDA say at least you know say friend. You see, sometimes you develop some kind of a relationship with people on the basis of trust award man and sanipano. And so why would I want to entrust the destiny, my own destiny and destiny of this country in the hand of an individual? On to me, look, whether we like it or not, but say quantify the rate at which we as argument and no assessment no. Now you can say Debbie, change. And I'm saying that the measure of investment in our development activity, a measure, offer budget, every year budget, they will mention the capital expenditure. And I'm saying that the same government, boy, say they are reducing the capital expenditure, investment in capital expenditure from 9.5% to 4.5%. Today they are doing less than 2%. So how on earth reasonably people will come to tell us that they are doing more projects than NDC when the amount they are here investing in projects, more reduced? Me, I don't understand. The budget is there. 2020 budget is there. You are doing less than 2% in terms of investment in infrastructure, capital expenditure. You are doing less than 2%. Time set read budget. Now, Baumia. Echo sa budget reading no we OPA no. Ocha boy o say an ya koji busian kwan eji no. Busian no the IMF local representative can say the year consumption. And we have reduced capital expenditure from 9.5% as at the time at Kufo all year to 4.5%. Today, ask him, what is the investment in infrastructure or more year? And so sometimes it beats my imagination. And I keep telling you that this country, it is only truth that will save us. Okay.
Medase Alaji.
Nukure na be save you.
Unse maye din na mi.
Medase Alaji, me hunso waye din. Na Alaji wo kan se Ashanti region na Besikisi Ediwe Abano says former President Mahama not dishonest for saying NPP has done nothing for Ashanti region. Was it top 100 Nanado achievements in Ashanti region? Some of the projects are ongoing and others completed. Remember, NDC did not complete any projects in Ashanti region in their first term, not even a toilet. They did not complete any hospital in 8 years, not even what Kufuor Irrigate Hospital. When you do so, memo be 4. Or say Kumasi Airport Phase 2 and 3. Ongoing construction of Kumasi Central Market, KJTR Market Phase 2. 5,000 capacity stadium for the youth at Nyinehi. And then the last, memo fourth one, Kwadaso Model Creative Arts Senior High School. These are some of the projects according to Kwasikisi, and MPP Baye, or more, Aye Biguswa, Eko Subisu, or maybe was NDC flag bearer, Eko Ashanti region. Now, would you baby Kase, MPP Baye, or Yeshi, Ewa Ashanti region, and not also on yet, why dishonest?
Listen, laughable.
Why?
Laughable in the sense that the MPP that we know, MPP when they are doing projects, and Kaumodi Funi any day, I dare him to should go and take the pictures and send it to you before we close.
This thing and this you people do. Are you telling me you have no? Have you been to Kumasi
airport
recently?
Extension? The first phase, your mama.
Have you been there?
And then that project is even an NDC project. It's not MPP.
You are talking about Inje.
It's the moment to aso.
And the year phase 1, the Yenja Hona, Uba 30 years time,
I beg you.
No, this is
hold on. Mema platform now wakasa. Alaji Bacho
Bob Busia yebo. Na omusi NDC abobusia. So mu calculate ya. Bisa ohun se sa sika ye de airport. Omo de kan omu busia na omo de kan NDC busia.
There here. The omo de phase 2 and phase 1.
All of them.
Muji's Ghana 1. Because yes, normally your time who say me bo Alaji, your time who say ebia ye extend a free eba ha na akwaje ho bosia na abeye. Ye pese ye to aso we go for another loan. Go and do it. Yeah,
give me a record of loan a umu akokoji MSA phase 2 and phase 3 no. Give me an evidence. Yeah, passing or parliament. Give me an evidence. There are members of parliament 8 year umu MPP for. Omu mami evidence. Me catch us NDC na AG. And this Nigeria, so
the whole Kumasi airport, expansion.
And I am telling you, 70% of the roads are in Omusi Omuya Washington. The roads are yeah, Wardia, Omuba, Ombechum say, yen suspend this construction. Omusi Omuya invest. The only road that Oba and one trasu their airco ni krum, because Chebi. That is the only road that Yama award, Yama contract Oba one chum, one suspended. The road entering into Chebi
from Apeja
Johnson to Chebi, he never cancelled that. The entire road contract in Kumasi was suspended here. That was a value for money. All the roads today, 70% of it, NDC, award. As we speak now, sa report almost I didn't know report into Joa. Almost the Kanana, idea yen Yama. Nasabi today, I listened to him, now there's too much traffic. Now I see our commission sa project. Our project no so any project. $89 million Jomama Eco G. 2016 Milanchi mi campaign mini Jomama Dina platform or Tankers Life Football Park by Jomama Bosu. They have taken the scope, they have even shortened it, they've taken most of the project out of it. Still they maintain the $89 million. In Suotoa, from me now me a candidate Ablikuma Central in 2016. Nsotoa Mata Ajembu Mataeko and Abuso Kai. More expensive flooding. Can say Circle Road can say Kaneshi Road Nina. So as part of the project for Abeche Bilamtinu, now got up Kesebi or Doko police station every Kokompe Eba Gosa Keseo. It's part of it that they should be open that gutter. No? And so, the first light gutter, so beam, so that it will be able to accommodate the volume of water urban. All that project. The entire Abusokan is supposed to be the drain in Abusokan. Nina say you better start drains. No, now you covered drains. Covered drains. Now the asphalt. They have taking all those projects out of the scope of that project. I was on a program with former MP for Abilukuma North. Mika and Osi Obekwa issue because at that time he knows about this project. What you see 5 interchange. We have that 5 interchange for the first time in the end. And one answered. He is taking what he does not belong to him. I'm saying that we all come with a manifesto. And on the basis of the manifesto, you can say A, B, C, D. On chair in 2016, this is the manifesto in 2016, Obey Obechi Bilamti.
I was your father, Jimmy Dasipa, high and Nisa.
Who's here or ha? Actually, Punk no. Needs FM.